Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 1. So without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. The largest classification group for organisms kingdom. Basic unit of life cell. Steps used to answer questions about the natural world. Scientific method. The study of life. Biology. What a researcher thinks will happen in an experiment based on the background research. Hypothesis. The largest group within a class. Order. Graphed on the y-axis. Dependent variable. Last step of the scientific method. Share or publish data. Group of similar tissues. Organ. Several different classes make up phylum. The second part of scientific name is unique to each species in its genus. When designing an experiment, the first step is to identify the problem. The category that is directly larger than the genus is family. Genus first capitalized, species second, not capitalized, italicized if typed, underlined if handwritten. Correct scientific name. Variable that does not change. Constant. A community of organisms interacting with the non-living environment is called an ecosystem. PAPIO annubis and PAPIO cynocephalus do not belong in the same species. Scientific names are written in Latin. Ribosomes function in the process of protein synthesis. What is found in bacteria cells only? Capsule. Plants contain a large dash to store water and dissolve the nutrients. Central virtue. The dash is a flattened membrane that sorts, modifies, and packages compounds to be used throughout the cell. Golgi apparatus. Thank you for trying out Biology Master 01. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.